Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Reese, their part number S514D. This is an offset saddle type threshold in a dark bronze finish. And this is basically shorter on this side than it is on this side. Okay. The offset type saddle threshold is really used best when you're trying to transition between two disparate floor surfaces, and in the case of the S514, you're dealing with a 1/2 inch height on one end and a 1/4 inch height on the other, with an overall width of 5.5 inch. So 5.5 inch, we have 1/2 inch here, and then we've got 1/4 inch here. Very common application is going to be aluminum storefront, door, and frame in a gas station where you have just regular tile on the inside down to a concrete stoop. This happens to transition that area very nice. You will also see this, I've seen this installed in a church, actually, very recently. Sold some thresholds because they had literally the concrete on the outside just dipped down a little bit from over the sill of where the door would sit, okay? And then also in condo buildings, in the basement garage area, they seem to have a lot of uneven floors, and a 1/4 inch could be a tripping hazard. So they'll transition with something like this to make it obvious and smooth and things of that nature. The S514 is representative of that profile that we've just gone over. The D stands for dark bronze, and I'm a pretty big fan of Reese's dark bronze finish because it is the best in the business when it comes to dark bronze anodized, in my opinion. I like the lighter golden brown sort of color. It's not very dark, approaching black like my desktop mouse pad. Really nice color. If you are emulating or matching oil rubbed bronze, I think you're going to love the Reese product because it's not so significantly dark. If you change the D to an A finish, you're going to get mill aluminum. And in the offset saddle thresholds, the S514 is complemented by the S512, which is a 3/4 inch overall height for a 1/2 inch step. And then you can do the S714, which is the same as this except that it's 7 inch wide. Okay. Those are the offset saddle thresholds that are there. This threshold is listed in the website in lots of different lengths. Everything from 2 foot to 8 foot. Lots of steps in between. And you can order longer than 8 foot, and it wouldn't be unusual to need it. We just don't list them because the cost to ship is generally prohibitive when it gets out to that length. Feel free to reach out to us. We'll be happy to quote it for you. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field the net length you'd like for us to ship the material out at. The reasoning is it's going to save you the trouble of cutting it down. It will save you the trouble of drilling that hole for the screw, and screws are included. They look to be a number 10 by about 1.5 inch flathead wood screw, Phillips drive, and will be in a complementary finish. So if you order a custom length, we'll cut it. We'll put that first dimple at the proper distance and the center to center as well. Okay. This is a 3 foot piece. If you were cutting it down to 32 inch, probably wouldn't matter so much. But if you needed to make this 28 inch, then you might get into a position where it'd be better to order something cut to length for you. Okay. I'm a big fan of Reese, and it's because a number of things. Their extrusions seem thicker, the thickness of the material. I love their dark bronze. Their shipping lead times are industry leading, hands down, period, end of sentence. Their people are phenomenal to work with. Customer service and technical support at least is good. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Reese products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Reese S514D offset saddle threshold or any other Reese product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.